Good morning, my dear students. Today we will start lesson 2, Environmental Balance in Unit 3. Ecosystem. It is a natural area that contains living organisms and non-living things. The components of the ecosystem. The ecosystem contains living organisms and non-living things. Living organisms such as plants, animals, and algae. Non-living things such as air, soil, and water. Ecosystems may be classified according to their sizes into small, as a water pond or an area of land; large, as a forest, a desert, or an ocean; very large, as the universe. Now we will talk about the relationships between the components of the ecosystem. First, the relationship between the plant and the soil, where the plant depends on the soil to absorb water to make their food. The second relationship, the relationship between plants and animals, where animals feed on plants to get food and energy. The third one, the relationship between different animals, where some animals feed on other animals to get their food. Now we will talk about environmental balance. Environmental balance, it is the balance among the components of the ecosystem. Now we will talk about factors that harm the environmental balance. Natural change. It is the changing in the natural conditions. The second factor, it is the man interference. Some human activities leads to the disturbance of the environmental balance, such as cutting down trees and burning forests. Now we will talk about factors that keep the environmental balance. Some food relationships have an important role in keeping the environmental balance, such as predation and saprophytism. Predation. Predation organizes the numbers of prey population. If there are no predators in the ecosystem, the environmental balance will be disturbed as the number of prey increase and available food decrease. Competition appears among prey, so they will die because they will not have enough shelter and become weak. The second factor that keeps the environmental balance, it is saprophytism. The saprophytic organisms such as bacteria and fungi help in getting rid of dead bodies by decomposing them and recycling the chemical elements found in bodies of dead organisms such as carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus to the environment to make other living organisms benefit from them.